stocks got a late-day lift to keep their weekly win streak alive. This came despite a rise in investor nervousness and lingering concerns over trade, global economic growth, and a slowdown in corporate earnings. Those fears dominated most of the day's trading and resulted in a mixed finish for stocks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 63 points to 25,106. The Nasdaq added 9, and the S&P 500 gained 1. All of the major indexes posted small gains for the week. The Dow is now up for 7 straight. Bob Pisani reports tonight from the New York Stock Exchange.
Fears over the U.S.-China trade wars fueled a lot of today's declines. First, the Wall Street Journal reported that the two sides not even have a trade deal drafted yet ahead of the crucial March 1st trade deadline. That put global trade-related names under pressure. Industrials like Boeing, Caterpillar, semiconductors like NVIDIA, and Taiwan Semiconductor. Those stocks also traded lower after Goldman Sachs warned that chip makers looked expensive, as demands for memory remains very soft and prices continue to decline. But around 11:45 a.m. Eastern Time, CNBC's Eamon Javers reported that a senior White House official told him that the key March 1st deadline on trade could very well be moved. That news lifted stocks right off the day's lows, but there still wasn't a lot of buying volume behind the move. Finally, another big red flag has been earnings. Earnings growth has turned negative for the first quarter. That's the first time we've seen growth estimates dip below zero since the second quarter of 2016. Keep in mind, earnings growth for the full year, 2019, still positive, but even that is slowly trending towards zero, thanks to slower global growth and rising raw material costs. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.